The truth is, the things that destroy relationships, they don't destroy marriage. The things that break dating, they don't break marriage. For those who are married, statistically, and that's why we are saying this thing this morning. If you are single here, if the guy is smoking now, and then the smoke comes out of one nose, where you people get married, it will come out of two noses. It won't stop. If he slap you once now, it may be a weekly affair when you get married. And therefore, those who are already inside, prayer works. The God of somehow will show up. But while you wait for the God of somehow, make up your mind that this is who I married. Because most time, because women are nurturers, at times some of them even they think they are El Shaddai. They will carry themselves into a problem. This kind of guy, I can help him. Who? You? You can't change nobody. And I said it here the last time we talked about relationship, that women want to train their husband and love their children. Turn it the other way around. Your mother-in-law could not train this man in 32 years. You don't have the capacity. She had better wisdom. So love your husband. Train your children so that your daughter-in-laws will be happy for you. They will tell you that you raised a godly person for them. Hallelujah.